Sanbonani guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The sun is out and so are we. So today we are out and about once again, and today we're doing something very fun. We first going to go to the Bonorboom airport. They're having an open day, so we're just going to go there and check a lot of stuff, and then I'll just come back and give you a feedback on what we were told, what we found out. Then we're off to the air show, where it's basically a show of aircrafts in the air doing what they do best, which is flying and doing all the beautiful stuff. So you guys are going to spend the day with my family and I really hope that you're going to enjoy this vlog. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, share with people so that they also see, and I'll also be sharing like information on getting into aviation school and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that.
There's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a
Like done to the air show.
Yeah!
And survive. Minimum.
Why do you look sad?
And 21, because now you have to be ready for trip. That's why I said I'm 21. Okay, any questions?
After his name is then Casey. No? Don't be sorry.
Maybe 40.
We're going to the show, my friend.
Okay.
Now black now is black. I will give you
We have arrived, people. See that? Oh, guys, there is chip and dip there. There's boerewors rolled. I don't know what's happening with my voice. It's cracking. But, like, there is just so many food, and it's already smelling so good. And your girl is starting to feel like, okay, I'm not hungry, but, like, yeah, I'm starting to crave a lot of stuff now. And look at this flight here. I don't know what kind of flight this is, but we'll see once we get closer. Look! Woo! Look at that! Woo! Woo! Look at that! We are currently going to check what we can buy to eat, right? So guys, we are looking for places that sell drinks because I bought wings and chips and we wanted pizza as well, but yo guys, this guy is doing so much. Bunny, let me see. The things he's doing with this helicopter, hectic stuff. He's doing handstands with the helicopter, guys.
This Body may be small, but don't undermine it.
Look, I don't know what he's about to do.
Surgeon and the speed of a sprinter.
Like, this man does hectic stuff. Unfortunately, I forgot to capture it on camera. Like, yo, this guy. Yeah, so now we're looking for a place that sells cold drinks so that we can grab cold drinks. Literally after 2 hours we got our food. Bro guys, no. Yo, buning. Oh, I got it. Mama sa alam mo. Mama loko lang. But kasi hawa na to kana refund, like a lot was just going on. Let me show you guys. Look. Yeah, now what the hand, what the upside down, but I can't Now I'm having a shawarma. So guys, I just finished eating finally. The girl has eaten. So yes guys, we're just having a look at Yui. Well, you're going to see Yui. And now, she knows. Yeah, so yeah, right now we're looking at Yui and I've eaten. I had a shawarma and I had wings and chips and I still have my Coke. Yeah, and so now I'm about to take pictures. Yella, I think the sun is gonna do me justice because it's right over here. And my mom is looking at me. If only my phone had that feature where I could show you what I'm seeing while you see me, then I would show you guys. My mom is currently looking at me. She's just like I'm just see why. Yeah. And then what else? We have like an aircraft chair next to. You need Vaseline. Here you go. Oh, it's all about Vaseline. Oh, so yeah, okay. What drink? See you in a bit. I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, my younger sister has to give you guys information on aviation school because she had all the information. I was carrying my younger brother when she was getting the information, so I didn't hear much. I don't know much, but she's gonna give you guys all the information. Well, I want to take pictures first, and then only will she give you all the details. And you see that my lips look as if I've put on like lip combo and stuff. And guys, I put these lashes myself. Yeah, but we are getting there. I just didn't here. Yeah, when I put here and I didn't put it there. But it's okay. We're getting there. Okay. Kancane siyafika. Guys, we are going to buy some drinks. So I'll show you if we get them. The military forces thingies are now flying. Yo, yes. Guys, we got these small donuts. So let's go get some nice drinks, okay? Shooting. Oh guys, I was not seeing them. Yo, look at that, guys. They are so up. Yo, look at that. Yeah, that one is helping us identify them. Hey, I walk into Sakhono Babona, Pela, oh, easy Babon. You 40 feet.
Meaning these numbers are jumping from the highest level and open at the lowest level of jumping.
Yeah.
Now, to be able to jump that high, one has to use an oxygen. Free falling should be done with eyes wide open to keep checking the activity for altitude awareness.
Yo, band. This is so beautiful.
The jump has to stand against the wind.
Look at this one here, guys. Look at him. Wow, that was so beautiful, and he arrived so quick. Look at this one, guys. Oh, look at him. My focus now. Look at him. Look. Two. Wow! guys, they need to land opposing the wind. So the wind is blowing that way, like the yellow color is showing. So they need. That's why most of them are coming from this direction. That's the only way they'll be able to land. Look here. He's coming. But yeah, banana ulaw. Why are you kwa? Yeah. Backflip ha qeta ho ke mone because ke makaletso wa ya kwanana ho thuwa ba opposite. Look Woo! Look at that. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. It's ha qeta ho aba etsa di a rola so oh, landed wrong. Yeah, ban. That's what happens when you land, guys. Yeah, when you land the paramedic here. Look, guys. Oh, there's one who fell wrong, who landed wrong. Yeah. There's one who's still in the air.
We left there, look.
Oh, I guess I try to blame by Angela the view. Just look. Oh, this is so beautiful. And then there's one there, but the paramedics are there. Yeah, he is for sure. Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Look at him taking his turn.
He's not taking the wrong direction.
No, he's coming. What the hand?
44 parachute regiment in Bloemfontein.
Here he comes. I don't know if he's going to land. Okay, yeah, no, tail. Look. Huge. Hi! Look! One! Ah, that was nice. Nice. Oh, di ba mamana? They look like astronauts for real. For safety, bro. Look at them, guys. You know we want. Wiwane basa go ivela umini enwana yo bona o itheletse ntho tsa hae. And just like that, the day comes to an end, yalla. So now we are walking to the car. Let me show y'all. People have already left. Some people have left. It's now empty, Nasham. Yabo? Yeah. So now we're walking to the car. It was a lovely, chilled, cold day as well. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, guys. I hope it. Oh no, we can't end it here. Olatu hasn't given us information, so I have to first get that information from my younger sister. Then I'll have my outro. So stay tuned for that. So I wanted to tell you guys about my experience with the aviation school, and I hope you can hear me. It was such an amazing experience. They taught me like everything, the requirements and the types of fields you could go into. Like there's, I forgot the names now, but like there's a instructor, like there's a course for instructing. Then that's how you can also build your hours. So today's experience was very nice. They taught us about the different fields in aviation, like you can be an instructor, first commander, and everything. And I saw that I like being a commercial pilot. They taught me when I was in the cockpit. There's a cockpit, I forgot what you call it, but they taught me everything, the GPS, the everything, like to start it. It was just an amazing experience. And they also educated me on
Oh, they also told me I was wondering about which subject is more important between physics and geo, and they said they are like almost at the same level. Geo, you just get the experience of knowing map work, and then physics, you learn the Newton's law, which is like a thing that you might use more in being a pilot.
I got a
Yeah,
question.
thank you.
What question?
When are you going to be a pilot?
In the near 5 years. Oh, and it takes a really long time, approximately like 10 months to get your stuff, the period of becoming a pilot, and then there's a bunch of tests which I found out, which was very shocking.
But thank you guys for tuning in. See you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment.